Hi, I'm Danielle from Platoon 25. Revelation Wellness Instructor Training wasn't something I was looking for. Becoming a fitness instructor wasn't even on my radar. But Revelation Wellness found me, and God used Revelation Wellness to pursue my heart. I am so grateful I gave God my yes. I went through instructor training, honestly unsure of how I would actually use this training once I was done with it. But God never left my side, and the Revelation Wellness family is so supportive. I never felt alone, not once. Now, leading women through fitness classes and through the Wellness Revelation has been so rewarding. But the biggest blessing by far has been personally. It's been that I have learned to live my life with a God-first approach. And that's one of Revelation Wellness's main principles: God first, God only. It's not only changed me, it's changed my family. It's made me a better wife and a better mother. It's made me a better friend. In our home, we've learned to make God a priority. And through this training and allowing God to be first in my life, I've become a better person. I've become more forgiving. I've become more patient, more understanding, less judgmental, more loving. I've become more of who God designed me to be. So if you're considering instructor training, step out in faith. Give God your yes. God will meet you right where you are, and He will provide more than you can imagine.